we will be attaching 2 uprights with 1 bridge. The pegboard will eventually fit into the bridge. Now take 1 brace and attach it halfway up the upright. Attaching the pegboard. This will require 4 pieces of pegboard and 1 double H mold. First, take the piece of pegboard and slide it down the front channel in front of the brace until it locks into the bridge. Repeat process on other side, locking pegboard into the bridge. Now take double H mold and lock it on top of both pegboard, taking the next pegboard and sliding down into the channel until it locks into the H mold. Repeat on the other side. Attaching the top cap. Take 1 top cap and fit it over both uprights, locking into pegboard and upright. Attaching the kick plate. Take 1 kick plate and lock it into the front of the upright shoe. Repeat on other side. Attaching the base deck. Take 1 base deck and slide it into the channels on top of the upright shoes. This will cover the kick plate. Repeat on other side. Attaching the end cap. Start with the end base. Take the end base and line it up side to side, fitting the back edge into the channels on the top of the upright shoe. Now take the end panel and fit the bottom edge into the same space between the end base and base decks. Securing the end panel. Take 1 mounting bracket and slide it through the upright, aligning the holes with the holes in the end panel. Use the bolts to secure. Now take the second bracket and repeat the steps, bolting the top of the panel to the aisle post. That completes the assembly of the aisle unit with end panel, base, and module. Now attaching the shelves. Take 2 brackets and insert into the slots in the panel, making sure they are level. Now take a shelf and fit over the brackets, locking it into place. Repeat this process until the desired number of shelves are put on. This video has been brought to you by Acme Shelving and Store Fixtures. Beep beep!